Well, hey guys, just a quick update for Unity. This is a new platform that we just jumped into a little while ago. And yeah, I wanted to give you a quick update because they do have 2 days left for their X10 promo before it is gone. And there's also a month-long promo that starts today that our upline is running. So I wanted to give you the specifics for that. So two promos that are running simultaneously, one starting, one coming to an end, 48 hours left for that one. So I wanted to just to give you a heads up. Again, this is a brand new passive platform. If you like to get into brand new platforms when they're first coming out, like I do, this is something you definitely want to take a quick look at. Certainly has the legs to potentially, be around for quite a bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right in. I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you want to jump into Unity, excuse me, if you want to jump into Unity, make sure you only put in a risk capitalized funds you can afford to lose. Also follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So let's go ahead and jump right in, guys. Again, as I mentioned in my initial review video, my initial introduction, this was brought to me by my sponsor, actually my sponsor in another platform that I'm currently in right now that's actually doing really well. Been running now for a couple of months. Actually, he brought that to me, and he was my sponsor in another platform that ran for about a year, did really well. So again, when someone brings me platforms that tend to do quite well, and we run with those platforms and they run for quite a while, I tend to listen. This is the third platform that he's brought me that has run for, well, this is the third platform. The first one ran for a little bit over a year. Second one is still currently running. It's been running now for a couple of months. Both of those platforms we've been super profitable with. And again, this one here he's brought to me. So again, I don't know if this will have the same track record as the first two, but it certainly looks like it has the potential. Because again, it's not doing any crazy numbers. It's not like it's paying 3%, 4%, 5% a day or anything like that. It's paying out. The top package pays out 20% up to 20% per month. Okay, so again, sustainable, at least from what I see, pretty sustainable. And again, the compensation plan, the affiliate side, again, it's not paying out anything crazy. We'll show you here what that looks like. Looks like it can be pretty sustainable. And we like to get into sustainable, or at least what can be potentially sustainable platforms on this channel. Yes, we jump into things that are a little bit more risky and sometimes are here today, gone tomorrow. It happens, right? But if you look at my track record, if you've been a longtime subscriber, and we've had this channel now for several years, you know that's a lot of the platforms that we get into that we like to talk about are platforms that run for quite a while, right? So hopefully, fingers crossed, right? Knock on wood, this can be another one of those platforms that we can have in our portfolio for quite a bit. So let's take a look at these packages, okay? Now let me scroll down in this PDF. Now the packages that they have here on the PDF, this is the promotional packages. I'm going to show you here, and I know I showed this before, but I'm going to show you here a comparison to what the packages are going to look like once the promo ends, because those are the numbers that they have inside of the back office, okay? So here's what the licenses look like, the algorithmic trading licenses, the packages, plans, whatever you want to call it. They have three, okay? They have one here, 20 USDT. For as little as 20 USDT, you can get started. This plan right here, the start plan, 20 USDT to 299. This one here, the premium plan, 300 USDT to 999. And then the professional, 1,000 USDT and up. This one here, I'm going to show you the example using the professional, okay? But again, download the PDF. You can see it for yourself and compare it. But this one here, if you get in right now, right before the 10th, right, because the 10th is the deadline to get in and get this X10, you can get up to 40%, okay? 1.5% to 2% a day, Monday through Friday. So it pays out during the week, not on the weekends. So 1.5% to 2% per day, Monday through Friday, up to 40% per month, okay? Cool thing about this platform is after 30 days, you can withdraw your capital. So again, your funds aren't locked in. You can withdraw your capital after 30 days. Now you might say, well, what if I want to withdraw my capital before 30 days? Can I do that? Yes, you can. There's a 15% withdrawal fee if you want to do it before 30 days. So you can certainly do that. After 30 days, there's no withdrawal fee. Okay, so you can withdraw it at any time, but before 30 days, there's a 15% withdrawal fee. After 30 days, no withdrawal fee. But on this professional package here, this professional license, up to 40% right now, if you get this package before the 10th, that's the numbers that you're going to get on your package. Okay. Of course, with the premium, up to 30%, with the start, up to 20%. If you get it after the 10th, after the promo period, then this is what the numbers will look like. Still very competitive, right? Let's just do, since we're talking about the professional package, you can see here, 1,000 USDT and above, it's 15 to 20% per month. Okay. So up to 20% per month. So after the promo period, up to 20% a month. During the promo period, which is right now between now and the 10th, it's the 8th as I do this video, so not a whole lot of time, you'll get up to 40%. So double the amount. Let me repeat that, double the amount. After the 10th, it'll be up to 20% a month. Still competitive, right? Up to 20% a month. That's still very good, still very competitive, right? It's not the end of the world. But why leave all that on the table if you're going to get in anyway? If you're going to put the same amount of money anyway and get the same package, why leave that on the table? It just doesn't make any sense, right? So I'm actually going to upgrade myself. Just wanted to give you a heads up because, again, this is time sensitive because you only have up till the 10th. After that, the offer won't be on the table. It was actually only supposed to be up till the 5th. They extend. There was a big meeting in Peru. The management team extended it until the 10th. So again, after the 10th, this won't be available anymore. And then the package will be up to 20% a month on the professional, okay? On the premium, it'll be up to 15%, right? Right now, it's up to 30%, okay? And then on the initial package here, the start, it'll be up to 10% a month. Right now, up till the 10th, it's up to 20% a month. So you're getting double X10 on the promotional packages. After the promotional period, after the 10th, these won't be available. It'll still be competitive. Again, I want to be very clear. It'll still be very competitive. However, it's only going to be half of what you could potentially make if you get them right now. So, you're leaving money on the table. Up to you. Now, as far as, let me go back here. As far as the promotion from our upline, okay, as I mentioned in my video yesterday, there's an exclusive promo going on right now. It starts today, April 8th, all the way up till May 8th, so 30 days, April 8th to May 8th. If you reach the rank of V3, you get an extra 500 USDT bonus. If you reach the rank of V4, you get an extra $1,500 USDT bonus. Again, this is not from the company. This is directly from our upline. So again, for doing what what you're supposed to do anyway, again, you're going to earn from the comp plan for doing that. But as an added incentive, you can earn an extra 500 and an extra 1,500 USDT for hitting the ranks of V3 and V4. Again, this does have a very lucrative compensation plan. If you want to participate and do that, don't necessarily have to. But you can see here, there is a residual comp plan here. Very powerful. If you take the time to look at this, which most people don't, that's why they miss it. But if you take the time to look at this, this does have a very powerful comp plan. Look at this. As people earn, right? As people earn, whether they get involved with the promotional package or with the non-promotional package, either way, it's perfectly fine. But as they earn, if you build a team and as they earn their daily passive income, their daily profit, you're going to earn a match. So everyone on your level 1, you're going to earn 20% of whatever they're earning. You're going to earn a 20% match. Anyone on your level 2, 15%, anyone on your level 3, 10%, anyone on your level 4, 5%, anyone on your level 5, 2.5%. So up to 5 levels of matching daily of matching bonus on the daily profits of whatever your teammates are earning. That can add up. So again, as you're earning your daily from your plan, your package, your daily profit, you're earning a match on potentially 5 levels on your team. So your daily payouts can build and build and build, perpetually grow as you build a team. Of course, you have to unlock those 5 levels. How do you unlock those 5 levels? You get 5 direct sponsorships. That's how you unlock those 5 levels. And then there's other ways you can earn. There's rank bonuses and there's other things that you can earn on. Not going to go into that right now. But yeah, just wanted to give you a heads up because again, there's a couple of bonuses that are layered on top of each other right now, time sensitive, that you should know about if you're thinking about getting involved with this. But again, this is a new platform on the passive side. You know, if you don't get involved with the promotional packages, still very lucrative. You could make up to 20% per month, and you can earn on the referral side if you want to build that out. Even if you don't want to, up to 20% a month is still very, very competitive. And again, this could potentially run for a long time. We'll see. We'll see. This can be another legacy platform, something we can talk about for quite a bit. So anyway, this is called World Unity. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below. You can make a deposit. And again, very, very easy to navigate through. If you look at my intro video, I show you how to make a deposit, how to get involved. Super duper easy. Again, you're not going to see anything, foreign. It's super simple. They already have, their first retreat, their first leadership retreat laid out. They have a couple of different incentive retreats already laid out for the year. So it looks like they're laying out a couple of different events throughout the course of the year. So we'll see what happens, but it certainly looks pretty good. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick update, let you know about these time sensitive bonuses. If you want to check this out, I'll leave a link down below. If you have any questions, hit me up over on Telegram. Again, as always, guys, risk capital only. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.